In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to chain comparison operators. This is a very powerful technique for writing clean code. Here's an example. Let's say we want to implement a rule that says age should be between 18 and 65. Here's how we can implement it. So we define a variable like age, set it to 22. Now, if age is greater than or equal to 18 and age is less than 65, then we print eligible. Now here's a question for you. How do we write this rule in math? We can write it like this. Well, more accurately, we should have an equal sign here. So age should be between 18 and 65. This is how we write this rule in math. Now, I've got some good news for you. We can write the exact same expression in Python. So I'm going to move this up, put an if statement here. Line 4 and line 3 are exactly equivalent. But as you can see, line 4 is cleaner and easier to read. So let's get rid of line 3. This is what we call chaining comparison operators.